We're outside Spangling because Steve has joined us.
How does that look? That's awesome. All right.
What do you got on the end of your leaf blower here? It's about 6 feet tall.
Yeah, it's a weather balloon. Look at that. It's a weather balloon. And everybody said that you popped the last one I had in studio. I had to bring this for you. It's going to get a whole lot bigger than this, filled with hydrogen gas at Coors Field on Thursday. So I'm here to talk to you about Weather and Science Day. Look at this. We've got some footage from before. I'm going to show you what's going to happen because about 10,000 plus kids are going to show up to Weather and Science Day. It's something that we've been doing for a long time. Well, it's the 12th annual, so you can kind of figure it out.
Back here.
You like that? Is that kind of fun? Is that fun? Now, here's the great thing: is that 12 years ago? No, it was in 2012. We launched a weather balloon, but the technology wasn't as good as it is now. And so when we let go, the weather balloon goes from Coors Field. You can imagine the FAA has to grant special clearance to do that.
Right.
The balloon filled with hydrogen. We can't do helium; it's too expensive. We're going to send Dinger up, not the small Dinger. You know, the little Dinger the doll. Yeah, and it's going to fly over. And the projection, a wonderful group of people called Edge of Space Sciences, they see where this is going to go. They have tracking equipment. We're going to be able to see it. It'll pop. And when it pops, then it's 45 minutes back down, and they know where we're going to go and pick it up.
So how high does it go, and how high does it go before it goes boom?
So it should pop on its own at between 90 and 100,000 feet. They're thinking about 100,000 feet. Kids are going to put an experiment on board. They want to know, you know, when you go to the grocery store up in the mountains and the potato chips get bigger?
Right.
That's because there's less air pressure pushing on them. So at what altitude will they explode?
Well, the potato
so
chips.
the potato chips will be on the load as well. So that's kind of fun.
Who's going to catch Dinger?
Well, Dinger's going to come down. He'll be fine. Watch this. He can fall.
I'm worried about it.
Yeah, he'll be fine. I
right.
promise. We have rockets from Estes Rockets. Juniper Unmanned will have drones. We're actually going to have somebody hide at Coors Field, and they'll find him with the search and rescue drones.
I have two questions.
Yes. You always have two questions.
But helium is too expensive, but we can afford hydrogen?
It's just the way science works there, Sparky.
Just checking out the budget on these.
Yeah,
and I know weather balloons got real popular this year.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, and I'm not going to do any jokes at all right now. Ladies and gentlemen, send your comments to Tom Green. So, but isn't that amazing? And so the kids get to see the launch. So here's what I'm saying. Thanks to the Colorado Rockies and everybody involved to be able to say, this is important enough that we're going to make some allowances for this experience to happen.
And then kids get to stay and watch the game.
Oh, they're going to watch the game. They say 10,000 plus.
That's
I think 13,000. I think we'll have 13,000 kids out there. Pray for good weather.
I was going to say, it looks like you might have some good weather in the morning.
Okay, just knock on wood right there.
All right. It looks like your balloon's about done.
I know.
We're out of time.
I'll fill. You know, I should just fill the boss's office with this. Don't you think that'd be fun? So when he shows up, he can't even get in. It's just,
we can't even afford the helium.
Sufficiently.
Thanks, Steve. Have a great Thursday.
Thank you. It's going to be great.
We'll be right back. We're going live to Ball Arena, catching up with the Nuggets in just a minute.